वेलकम बैक टू ताबिर अकेडमी। इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे अंडरलाइन क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। So let's first read the passage. I would just highly suggest you to stop this video right here, solve the question yourself, and then come back looking for the answer. So the passage says, the mountain crest stretched before them, its peak rimmed with snow even in midsummer. The air was thin and cold, rasping at their lungs with every breath. It seemed as though the wind carried ancient secrets in its howling, yet undeterred, the explorers pressed on, driven by the compromise of uncharted vistas. Which is the function of the underlined sentence in the passage as a whole? The step one is to identify the task, which is this is a part two whole question, which means that it focuses on one underlined sentence and its relation to the passage. Step two is summarize the passage. So it basically in the whole passage, what it is trying to say that mountains, bleak conditions, talking about the mountains, bleak conditions, and the explorer's resolve. जो underlined sentence है वो क्या कह रहा है? ठीक है, it seemed as though the wind carried ancient secrets in its howling. So this is the underlined sentence. Predicts its role. अब हमने underline जो sentence है उसका role predict करना है. The sentence paints an image, a detail that deepens the sense of mystery in the scene, right? So it says that it seemed as though the wind carried ancient secrets, focus ancient secrets in its howling. So it's very detailed and it's painting an image in your mind. Step 4 is कि आपने अपनी prediction को choices के साथ match करना है. What is the part? A says, introducing a sensory detail that highlights the mountain's mystery. Which is the correct answer, क्योंकि हमने भी एक guess किया था. What is me? It summarizes the explorer's emotional state after climbing. Not really, it doesn't summarize any feelings. It contrasts the harsh environment with the explorer's determination. This specific जो sentence है वो suggest कर रहा है, जो option है suggest कर रहा है contrast. लेकिन जो sentence है अगर आप उसको पढ़ो, it seemed as though the wind carried ancient secrets in its howlings. इसके अंदर कहीं पे भी explorers का जिक्र नहीं है. D क्या है? It defines the cause of the wind's intensity. It tries to explain the cause, लेकिन जो हमारे पास सेंटेंस है वो एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिप्टिव है, उसके अंदर किसी चीज़ का कॉज नहीं बताया जा रहा. सो इवन इफ वी एलिमिनेट ऑल दी चॉइसेस वी आर लेफ्ट विद ए, एंड एसेंशियली हमने भी यही बात सोच रही थी कि एक इमेजरी हो रही है सेंटेंस के अंदर.